Everybody, this is Wrench again. Here I am with my Transit Connect, and I've decided to put a hitch on it. I don't want to pull things. I mostly want to just put a bike rack on there. The hitch I've chosen to go with is a Class 3 hitch. It's called Curt, C-U-R-T, and it's rated for 4,000 pounds and 400 pounds of tongue weight when compensated, but 3,500 pounds. Now, just saying, my actual 2010 Transit Connect is rated for 0 towing. It literally, in the owner's manual, it says you can't tow with it. But not intended to do that. This is for a bike rack, so that'll be fine. It looks like it's going to hurt my ground clearance just a little bit. And I also, there's where it fastens, those 2 bolts. The hardware came with it, and I had to pop the wiring loom off of there. The part that surprised me most is I had to pull the exhaust loose up here, and then on the bumper I had to cut a notch in the bumper using my grinder right there, and I cut that notch in the bumper and I was able to clear it. It doesn't say anything about that in the directions, but I couldn't see another way to get it to fit since it's tight on the inside. This side over here seems to work fine, so I'm pretty happy with the amount of space it takes and how it fits. I hope it works out. I pulled a chart up on the internet that said an M12 1.5 electrically plated screw should be about 61 foot-pounds. I did the conversion already. So I'm torquing them here, and that's what you'll need to do. I have the hitch in place, and I've gone ahead and put the tailpipe bracket on and hit it with a little bit of bumper paint where that grinding had been done, and I think it looks pretty good. I used this kind of paint right here.